This tech tip video will talk about the NC Program Review feature. First, we will show our NC program by going to Info, NC Program. I like to have mine docked behind my project tree. NC Program Review will allow us to replay any part of the simulation that we have already simulated. We cannot review past that though. Now that we have simulated some of our program, let's review it. To turn on NC Program Review, you can click the yellow clipboard with a green checkmark icon here, or go to Analysis, NC Program Review. When we go into NC Program Review mode, a few things change. 2 more buttons are added to the simulation control buttons. There is now a step backward and a play backward button. These allow you to step backward 1 line at a time or continuously play backward. The currently shown line is automatically set when you do any of the following. When you first enable review mode, when you click on an error or warning in the logger window, when you click on the part or a toolpath trace in the graphics area. Also, when any of those scenarios occur, the start location indicated by the green arrow in the NC program margin is automatically set to 10 lines before the current line. The start location can be adjusted by dragging the arrow to a new line or with the right-click options in the NC program. The right-click menu also allows you to set the currently shown line or set the end line, which only affects the play forward feature. You can also use the right-click menu to view the start, current, or end line, but not actually change them or make them the current line. In NC Program Review, the rewind button works differently. It will only rewind the NC program to the start location. The reset button also works differently now too. Instead of really doing a reset, it actually rewinds the NC program back to the beginning. A nice feature for quickly moving through the NC program is using the scroll wheel on your mouse if you have one. There are some controls available to pick which setup and/or program we want to review if applicable. We can control if the tool is solid, translucent, or not shown at all. We can control if the toolpath trace is shown or not with line display. And with the tool drop-down, we can quickly jump to the beginning of a tool change. We can also use any of the Excalibur features in NC Review to quickly check the dimension of an already cut feature. When we are done using review mode, we simply need to turn it off using the same yellow clipboard icon or the Analysis NC Program Review. This is the only way to exit review mode. Lastly, in order to be able to use review mode, we need to understand the settings for it under Project, Settings, and in the Properties tab. Enable NC Program Review tells Vericut to save the review data to be recalled during the NC Program Review. Replace material during review tells Vericut to show the material removal and put the material back on during the review process. Record cutting conditions allows the cutting conditions in the status window to be remembered and shown during the review process. Alright, thanks for watching this tech tip video. You can refer to the Vericut help for more information on NC Program Review.